Hi everyone, my name's Patrick and I'm the founder of Geek Heroes, a digital marketing company that specializes in web development and SEO. And this is our 15-minute Hero Tips video series. The goal is for you to get a tip that you can then quickly apply in 15 minutes. This is our second tip of our basic setup series, where we will be going through how to set up the essentials to manage your SEO. Today's video is all about Google Analytics account setup. So what is Google Analytics? It is a free web analytics service offered by Google to analyze data for business in one place. Basically, Google Analytics gives you the ability to track your customers' behavior and understand them. This information can help you form a strategic marketing plan for your business to grow. Let's jump right into the Google Analytics account setup. So step 1, you're going to need to have a Google account to set up Google Analytics. Makes sense. If you are using a browser other than Chrome, you'll be prompted to log in. If you already have an account, please select the account you want to be associated with the Google Analytics account and log in. If you do not have a Google account already, or do not wish any of your current accounts to be associated with Google Analytics, please create a new one. So step 2, you're going to see this screen. And you're going to click Set Up for Free. You'll now be creating an account name. You will enter an account name of your choosing. We're going to select Test. And it says accounts can contain more than one tracking ID. A tracking ID is assigned to a property which can be a website or app. You have multiple tracking IDs associated with this account if you want. So down to account data sharing settings. By default, all of these are selected. Look over them, make sure you're comfortable with them. Select the ones you want, and then we're going to go on to the next step. Click Next. What do you want to measure? You'll now be given a choice to choose between website, mobile app, or a combination of both. Make sure to select what applies to your situation. So we're going to select web for this one and continue on. We're in the property setup. So now we're going to give a name to our website. So it's test website, and then you're going to put in the URL, which will be testwebsite.com. We're going to select an industry, and we'll make this one finance, and then a time zone. We're in Chicago. There we go. And then we're going to click Create. You're going to get Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. Look through both of these. If you're comfortable with it, select them and click I accept. So, you've now completed the setup. You should now see this page. You're going to see two things on here. The tracking ID up here and the global site tag. Those two things are important. The site tag is the tracking code for this property, which is the website. You're going to copy and paste this code as the first item into the head of every web page you want to track. Basically, you click on this, click copy, and then either give it to your developer to input for you in the head of every web page you want to track, or if you have WordPress, you can just use one of the free plugins to upload this. Congratulations! You are now set up and all of your data will be tracked by Google, and you'll be able to see that information whenever and wherever you want, so long as you have your computer or the Google Analytics app on your phone. We're going to have a follow-on video on what to do from here to utilize this fantastic free tool from Google. But for now, that's your 15-minute hero tip, and until next time, keep growing.